5월 29일 9시 50분.
Unit 11. Our land and water. The Earth has many different
shapes of land.
These different
These
shapes
different
are
shapes are called
landforms.
landforms.
A mountain
A
is
mountain
the
is the highest
form
form of land.
A hill
A
is
hill
not as
is
high as
not
a
as
mountain.
high as a
We call
mountain.
the area
We call
between
the
two
area
mountains
between two
a
mountains is a valley.
A
Mountains
forest
a
is an
valley.
area
A
covered
forest
with
is
many
an
kinds
area
of trees.
covered with many kinds
A
of trees.
plain is a
plain
large
is a
flat
large
land.
flat land.
A landform that is
A
surrounded
landform
by
that
water
is surrounded by water
an
is
island.
called an island.
An ocean is the
An
largest
ocean
body
is
of
the
water.
largest body of water.
Oceans cover most
Oceans
of the
cover
Earth's surface.
Oceans cover most of
A lake
the
is smaller
Earth's
than an ocean.
surface. A lake is
river is a
smaller
long body
than
of
an
water.
ocean. A river
The
is a
water
long
in a
body of
river
water.
usually
The water
flows
is a
into the
river
ocean
usually follows
or a
into
lake.
the ocean or a lake.
Unit 12. Where in the world do we live?
The world has seven
The world
continents.
has 7 continents.
A continent is a very
A
large
continent
piece
is
of
a
land.
very piece of land.
Can
Large
you name
piece
the
of
7
land.
continents?
Can you name it's a 7
They are
continents?
Asia,
They're Asia,
Africa,
Australia, Europe,
Antarctica,
and
North
and
South America.
South America.
Asia is the largest continent
Asia is
on
the
Earth.
largest continent on Earth.
Antarctica
is the coldest continent on Earth.
Asia, Africa,
Asia, Africa,
and
and
Europe
Europe are often
Old
called
World.
the Old World.
North
Old
and South
World.
America
North
are
and
often
South
called
America
the New
are
World.
often called the New World.
The world has 5
The world
oceans
has
too.
5 oceans too.
They are the Pacific,
They are the Pacific,
Atlantic,
Indian,
Antarctic,
and Arctic Oceans.
The Pacific is
The
the
Pacific
biggest.
is the biggest.
The United States is
The
located in
United
North
States
America.
is located
Canada
in North
is next
America.
to the U.S. to the
Canada is next to the
north. Mexico is next
US
to the
to the
U.S. to the
north.
south.
north.
The
Canada
Atlantic
is
Ocean
next to
is
the
to the east of the
US to the north.
The Pacific Ocean
Mexico
is to the west
next
of
to
the
the
U.S.
US to the south.
Can you find where
The
your country is on a
Atlantic
map?
Ocean is to the east of the US. The Pacific Ocean is to the west of the US. Can you find where your country is on a map?
Unit 13. Parts of plants. Plants have many parts.
Plants have many parts.
Each part of a plant
Each
helps
part
the
of a
plant
plant
get what it
helps the
needs.
plant get
Roots
what it
absorb
needs.
water and nutrients from the
Roots
soil.
absorb water
The
and
roots also hold
nutrients
the
from the
plant in the
soil.
ground.
The roots also hold the
Stems
plant in
support
the
the
ground.
plant's leaves and flowers.
Stems
The
support
stems also carry water and
the plant's
nutrients
leaves
to
and
other
flowers.
plant
The
parts.
stems also carry water and
Leaves make food for the plant.
nutrients to other
Leaves use
plant
sunlight
parts.
and air
Leaves
to
make
the food.
food for the plant.
Most
Leaves
plants
use
also
sunlight
have flowers.
and air to make the food.
Flowers help
Most
plants
plants
make new
also
plants.
have flowers.
The
Flowers help
make seeds,
plants make
and
new
then the
plants.
seeds grow
The
into
flowers
new
make
plants.
seeds, and then the seeds grow into new plants.
Unit 14. What do plants need?
Have you ever tried to grow a
Have you
plant?
ever tried to grow a
You
plant?
probably
You
realize that
probably
plants need
realize
many
that
things
plants
to grow.
need many things
First,
to grow.
plants need
Plants
water.
need water.
Plants can get water
Plants
from the ground
get-
or from the rain.
Can get water from
Without
the
water,
ground or
plants will
from the
die.
rain. Without water,
Plants
plants
also
will
need
die.
nutrients from the soil.
Plants also need
The
nutrients
soil
from the
contains
soil.
many
The soil
important nutrients that plants need to
contains
grow.
many important nutrients
air
that
and sunlight
plants
as
need
well.
to grow. Plants
Leaves
need
help
air
the plant get the air it
and
needs.
sunlight as well.
The
leaves
leaves also
help the
take in
plant
sunlight
get
to make food
The
for the
air
plant.
it needs. The
Finally,
leaves also
plants
take
need
in
space
sunlight
to grow and to stay
make
healthy.
food for the
As
plant.
plants get bigger,
Finally,
they need more room to grow
plants
bigger.
need space to grow and to stay healthy. As plants get bigger, they need more room to grow bigger.
Unit 15. Where do animals live? bears
Do you
could
think
live in a
polar
desert?
bears could live in a
How
desert?
about fish?
How about fish?
Animals live in
Animals
different
live in
places.
different places.
The place where an
The
animal
place where
lives
animal
is its
lives
habitat.
is its habitat.
Animals can have food
Animals-
and stay safe in their habitat.
Animals can have
A
food
forest
and
habitat
stay
has
safe
many trees.
in their habitat. A
Animals
forest
like
habitat
deer,
has many trees.
squirrels, and
Animals
rabbits
like
live there.
deer, squirrels, and
A rainforest
rabbits
gets rain
live
almost
there.
every
A
day and is
rainforest
hot all year.
get rain almost every day and is
Lizards
hot
and crocodiles
all year.
live there.
Snakes,
A desert
lizards,
is very dry
and crocodiles
has
live
lots
there.
Of sand.
A desert is
Small
a very
animals like
dry
rats,
and has
scorpions,
lots of
and
sand.
spiders live there. A grassland
Small
is covered
animals
with grass.
like rats,
Zebras,
scorpions,
giraffes, and
and
elephants
spiders
live there.
live there. A grassland
tundra
is
is a
covered
very
with grass.
cold and
Zebras,
snowy place.
giraffes, and elephants
Polar
live there.
bears and
A
caribous
tundra
live there.
is a very cold and snowy place. Polar bears and caribous live there. Caribous. 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 Caribous.
Unit 16. Water habitats.
Water covers
Water
most of the
covers
earth,
most of the earth.
so there are many
So
water
there
habitats.
are many water habitats.
These include ponds,
These
lakes,
include
rivers,
ponds,
and
lakes,
oceans.
rivers, and
Oceans are the Earth's
Oceans are
biggest
the Earth's
habitats.
biggest habitats.
An ocean is a
An
very
ocean is a
large
very
body of
large
salt
body
water.
of salt water.
There is a lot of
There's
undersea
a lot
life
of
in the oceans.
undersea life in the
Some
oceans.
animals,
Some
like
animals
plankton,
like plankton
are so tiny
are so
that you can
tiny
barely see them.
then you can
Others,
barely
such as
see
whales,
them. Others,
are the
such
largest
as
animals
whales,
on the
are
earth.
the largest animals on the
Ponds,
earth.
lakes, and
Ponds,
rivers
lakes, and
have
rivers
fresh
have
water.
fresh water.
Many fish live in
Many
fresh
fish
water
live
too.
in fresh water too.
How do fish
How do
breathe
fish
in the
breathe
water?
in the water?
Animals on
Animals
land have
on land
lungs
have
to
lungs
breathe
to
air,
breathe air,
but fish have
but
gills.
fish have gills.
Fish use
Fish
gills
use
to take in
gills to
oxygen
take
from the
in
water.
oxygen from the water.
Unit 17. Weather. Every day,
Every
when people
day,
wake
The
up,
people
they
wake
look
up.
outside.
When
What are they doing?
They look outside. What are they doing?
They are checking
They are
the
checking
weather.
the weather.
Weather affects
Weather
our daily
affects
lives a lot.
our daily lives a
What is
lot.
weather?
What is weather?
Weather is what the air
Weather
outside
is
is
what
like.
the air outside is like.
The weather can be
The weather
sunny,
can be sunny,
cloudy,
cloudy,
rainy,
rainy,
or snowy.
snowy.
It can change in a
It
few
can
hours
change in a
or
few
day to day.
hours or day to day.
How can you measure weather?
How can you measure weather?
We use some
We use
tools
some
to
tools
measure the
to
weather.
measure the weather.
A thermometer
A
measures
thermometer
temperature.
measures
Temperature shows how
Temperature
warm or cold
shows
the air
how
is.
warm or cold
We measure the
air
temperature
is.
in
Air
units
is.
called
To
degrees.
measure the temperature,
Some tools measure
a
wind
unit
or rain.
called degrees.
A weather vane
Some
indicates
tools
the
measure
direction of the
wind or
wind.
rain. A weather
A rain gauge is used to find out
Vane
how much rain falls.
indicates the direction of the wind. The rain gauge is used to find out how much rain falls.
Unit 18. The Four Seasons.
In many places,
In many places,
the weather
the
changes
weather
with
changes
each season.
With each
There are
season,
four
there
seasons:
are four seasons:
spring,
summer,
fall, and winter.
and winter.
In spring,
In spring,
the weather gets
the weather
warmer.
gets warmer.
Most plants
Most
begin
plants
to grow.
begin to grow.
In some places,
In some
it
places,
rains a
it
lot
rains
during
a lot
spring.
during spring.
In summer,
In
the
summer,
weather is usually very
the
hot.
weather is usually very
is the
hot.
warmest
It is the
season of the
warmest
year.
season of the year.
The days in
The
summer
days
are
in
long,
summer are long,
so there are many
there are
hours of
many
sunlight.
hours of sunlight.
When fall comes, the weather gets cooler.
When fall
The
comes, the
leaves
weather
change colors
gets cooler.
and fall off the
The
trees.
leaves change colors
Winter
and
is
fall
the
off the
coldest
trees.
season of the year.
Winter is
In
the
some
coldest
places,
season
it
of
snows
the
a
year.
lot during
In
winter.
some places,
Also,
it snows a
the
lot
days
during
in winter
winter.
are short.
Also, the days
So there
in,
are
the,
few
in
hours of
winter
daylight
are
during
short.
winter.
So there are few hours of daylight during winter.
Unit 19. What can you see in the sky? On a clear night,
On a
outside
clear
and
night,
look up
go
in the sky.
outside and look up at the,
You can
in the
probably
sky.
see many
you can
objects.
probably see
The
many
biggest
objects.
object in the night
The
sky
biggest object
is the moon.
the night sky
The
in the
moon is
The
a huge ball of rock that moves around Earth.
that moves around Earth.
You can see
You can
hundreds
see
of
hundreds of
tiny
tiny
stars
stars also.
Actually, a
Actually,
star is a
a
huge
star is a
ball of
huge
hot
ball
gases.
of hot gases.
Stars look tiny because
Stars
they are
look
so
tiny
far
because they
away
are
from
so
Earth.
far away from Earth.
Most stars can be seen
Most
only
stars
at night.
can be seen only at night.
In the daytime, the sunlight
In
is
the
so bright that you
daytime, the
cannot see
sunlight
them.
is so bright that you
But they are still
cannot see
there.
them. But they
During
are
the
still
day,
there.
you
During
will
the
see
day,
the sun.
you will see the sun.
Do you know that the
Do you know
sun is a
That
star?
the sun is a star.
It looks so
It
bright
looks
and
so
big
bright
because it
and
is the
big
closest
because
star
it
to
is the
Earth.
closest star to Earth. Closest.
Unit 20. What causes day and night?
Each day, the sun seems
Each
to
day,
rise
the
in the
sun-
morning and set at night. But the
Each
sun
day
is
the
not
sun
really
seems
moving.
to rise in
Earth
the
is moving.
morning and set
Earth
at night,
rotates.
but the sun is not really moving.
rotate
Earth is
means to
moving.
spin
Earth
around like a top.
rotates. To rotate
It takes
means
24
to spin
hours
around
for
like a
Earth
top.
to rotate one
It takes
time.
24
One
hours
rotation
for
is
Earth
one
to
day.
rotate one day. Or one
Earth's
rotation
rotation
one day.
causes
Earth's
day and night.
rotation causes day and
Earth
night.
is shaped
Earth
like
is
a
shaped
ball.
like a ball.
As Earth
As
rotates, there
Earth
is sunlight where
rotates,
Earth faces the sun.
There is sunlight where
That
Earth
part of
faces the
Earth
sun.
has daytime.
The part of Earth
The
has
other side
daytime.
has nighttime.
The other side
As
has
Earth rotates,
nighttime.
the part that
As
was
Earth
light turns
rotates,
away from the
the
sun
part that
and
was
gets
night-
dark.
Light turns
That part of Earth
away
has
from the
nighttime.
sun and
The
gets
other
dark.
side that was dark
The
has
part
daytime.
of Earth has
This
nighttime.
pattern
The other
repeats
side
every
that
24 hours.
was dark has daytime. This pattern repeats every 24 hours.
Unit 11. Our land and water. The Earth has many different
The
shapes
Earth
of
has
land.
different shapes of land.
These different shapes are called landforms.
Are called
A
landforms.
mountain is the
A
highest
mountain
form
is
of
the
land.
highest form of land.
A hill
A
is
hill
not as high as a
It's not
mountain.
as high as a mountain.
We call the
We
area
call
between
the
two
area
mountains
between two
a
mountains
valley.
a valley.
A forest is an
A
area
forest
covered
is an
with
area
many
covered
kinds
with
of
many
trees.
kinds of trees.
A plain is a
A
large
plain
flat
is a
land.
large flat land.
A landform,
A
that is
landform
surrounded by
that
water
is
is
surrounded
called
by
an
water.
island.
Is
An
called
ocean
an
is the
island.
largest body
An
of
ocean
water.
is the largest body
Oceans
of water.
cover most
Oceans
of the
cover
Earth's
most
surface.
of the Earth's
A lake is
surface.
smaller than an
A
ocean.
lake is smaller than an
A
ocean.
river is
a
a
river
long
is
body
a
of
long body
water.
of water.
The water in a
The
river
water in the
usually
river
flows
usually
into the
flows
ocean or
into
a
the
lake.
ocean or a lake.
12. Where in the world do we live?
The world has 7
The world
continents.
has 7 continents.
A continent is a
A
very
continent
large
is
piece
a
of
very
land.
large piece of
Can you
land.
name the 7
Piece of
continents?
land. Can you name the
They are
7
Asia,
continents? They are
Africa,
Asia, Africa,
Australia,
Australia, Europe,
Antarctica, and North and
and
South
North
America.
and South America.
Asia is the
Asia
largest
is the largest
continent on Earth.
continent on Earth.
Antarctica is the
Antarctica
coldest continent on Earth.
Is the
Asia, Africa, and Europe
Asia,
are
Africa,
often
and
called
Europe
the
are
Old
often
World.
called the Old World.
North and South
North
America,
and South America
are often called the New World.
the New
The
World.
world has 5 oceans too.
Asia is the largest
They
continent
are
on
the
Earth.
Pacific,
Antarctica is
Atlantic,
the coldest continent
Indian,
on Earth.
Antarctic, and Arctic
The world
oceans.
has 5 oceans too.
The Pacific
They are
is the biggest.
Pacific,
The United States is
Atlantic,
located in North
Indian,
America.
Antarctic, and Arctic
Canada
oceans.
is
The
next to the
Pacific
U.S.
is
to the
the
north.
biggest. The United States located
Mexico is next to the U.S.
North
to the
America.
south.
Canada is next to the
The
U.S.
Atlantic
to the north.
Ocean is to the
Mexico
east of
is
the
next
U.S.
to the U.S. to the south.
The Pacific Ocean
The
is to the west of the
Atlantic
U.S.
Ocean is the east
Can
of
you
the
find
U.S.
where
The
your country
Pacific
is on a
Ocean
map?
is to the west of the U.S. Can you find where? Can you find where your country is on a map?
Unit 13. Parts of plants. Plants have many parts. Each part of a plant helps the plant get what it needs.
Plants
Roots
have many
absorb water
parts.
and
Each part of
nutrients
a
from the soil.
Plant helps the plant
The
get
roots
what
also
it
hold
needs.
the plant
Roots
in the ground.
absorb water and nutrients
support
from
the
the soil.
plant's
The
leaves
roots
and
also
flowers.
hold a plant in the
The
ground.
stems also
Stems
carry water and
support
nutrients
the
to other
plant's
plant
leaves and
parts.
flowers. The stems also
Leaves
carry
make food for the
water
plant.
and nutrients to other
Leaves
plant
use
parts.
sunlight and
Leaves
air to
makes
make the
food for
food.
the plant. Leaves
Most plants
use
also
sunlight
have
and air
flowers.
to make the food.
Flowers
Most
help
plants
plants
also
make
have
new
flowers.
plants. The flowers make seeds,
Flowers help
and then the
plants
seeds
make
grow
new plants.
into new
The
plants.
flowers make seeds, and then the seeds grow into new plants.
Unit 14. What do plants need?
Have you ever tried to grow a plant?
Have you ever
You
tried to
probably
grow a
realized
plant?
that plants
You
need many
probably
things to grow.
realize that plants need many
First,
things
plants
to grow.
need water.
First, plants need
Plants
water.
can get water from
Plants
the
get-
ground or from the rain.
Plants can
Without water,
from the
plants
ground
will die.
or
Plants also
from
need
the
nutrients
rain.
from the
Without
soil.
water, plants will die.
The soil
Plants also
contains
need
many important
nutrients from the
nutrients
soil.
that plants need
The
to
soil
grow.
contains
Plants need air and sunlight as well.
many important
Leaves help the
nutrients
plant
that
get the
plants
air it
need to
needs.
grow. Plants
The
need
leaves
air
also take
and
in
sunlight
sunlight
as well.
to make
Leaves
food for the
help
plant.
the plant get
Finally,
the
plants
air it
need
needs.
space to grow and to
The
stay
leaves
healthy.
also take in
As
sunlight
plants
to make
get bigger,
food for the
they
plant.
need more room
Fin-
to grow bigger.
Finally, plants need space to grow and to stay healthy. As plants get bigger, they need more room to grow bigger.
Unit 15. Where do animals live? Do you think polar
Do you
bears
think
could
polar
live in a
bears
desert?
could live in a desert?
How about fish?
How about fish?
Animals live
Animals
in different
live
places.
in different places.
The place where an animal lives is its
The
habitat.
place where
Animals can have
lives,
food and stay safe
is its
in their
habitat.
habitat.
animals can have
A
food and
forest
stay
habitat
safe
has many
in their
trees.
habitat. A
Animals
forest
like deer,
habitat
squirrels,
has
and
many
rabbits
trees.
live there.
Animals like
A
deer,
rainforest
squirrels,
gets rain almost
and
every
rabbits
day
live there.
and is hot all year. Snakes,
A
lizards, and
rainforest
crocodiles
gets
live
rain
there.
almost every day
A desert
and
is
is
very
hot
dry
all year.
and has lots
Snakes,
of sand.
lizards, and crocodiles live
Small
near a
animals
desert is
like rats,
very
scorpions,
dry
and
and
spiders live
has
there.
lots of sand.
A grassland is covered with
Some
grass.
small animals like rats,
Zebras,
scorpions,
giraffes, and
and
elephants live
spiders
there.
live there. A grassland is
tundra
covered
is a
with
very
grass.
cold and
Zebras,
snowy
giraffes, and
place.
elephants live there.
Polar
A
bears
tundra
and
is a very
caribous
cold
live
and snowy
there.
place. Polar bears and caribous live there.
Unit 16. Water habitats.
Water covers
Water
most of
covers
the earth,
most of the earth,
so there are many water
so
habitats.
there are many water
These include
habitats.
ponds, lakes,
So
rivers,
there are
and
many
oceans.
water habitats. These
Oceans are
include
the
ponds,
Earth's
lakes, rivers,
biggest
and
habitats.
oceans.
An
Oceans
ocean
are
is a
the
very
Earth's
large body of salt
biggest
water.
habitat. An ocean is a
There
very
is a lot
large
of
body of
undersea
salt
life in
water.
the oceans.
There is a
Some
lot of
animals, like
undersea
plankton, are so tiny that you can barely
life
see
in the
them.
oceans. Some
Others, such
animals,
as whales,
like plankton,
are the largest
are so
animals on the
tiny
earth.
that you can
Ponds, lakes,
barely
and
see
rivers have fresh water.
Others, such as
Many fish
whales,
live in fresh
are
water
the
too.
largest
How do
animals
fish
on the
breathe
earth.
in the water?
Ponds, lakes, and rivers
Animals
have
on
fresh
land
water.
have lungs to breathe air.
Many fish
But
live
fish have
in
gills.
fresh water too.
Fish
How do
use gills
fish
to take in oxygen from the water.
in the water? Animals on land have lungs to breathe air, but fish have gills. Fish use gills to take in oxygen from the water.
Unit 17. Weather. Every day when people wake up, they look outside. What are they doing? They are checking the
Every
weather.
day, when people wake
Weather
up, they
affects our
look
daily lives a
outside.
lot.
What are they doing?
What
They
is
are
weather?
checking the weather.
Weather is what the air
affect-
outside is like.
Affect,
The weather can be
affect
sunny,
our daily
cloudy,
lives a
rainy,
lot.
or snowy.
What is weather?
It can change in a
Weather
few
is what
hours
the
or
air
day to day.
outside is like.
How can you
The
measure
weather can
weather?
be sunny, cloudy,
We
rainy,
use some tools
rainy
to
or
measure the
snowy.
weather.
It can change in a few
thermometer
hours or
measures
day
temperature.
to day.
Temperature
can you
shows how
measure
warm
weather?
or cold the air is.
We
We
use
measure
some
the
tools
temperature
to measure
in
the
units
weather.
called degrees.
A
Some
thermometer
tools measure wind
measures
or rain.
temperature.
A weather
Temperature
vane
shows
indicates the direction
how
of the
warm
wind.
or cold the
A
air
rain gauge
is.
is
We
used
measure
to
the
find out how much
temperature
rain falls.
in units called degrees. Some tools measure wind or rain. A weather vane indicates the direction of the wind. A rain gauge is used to find out how much rain falls.
Unit 18. The Four Seasons.
In many places,
In many
the weather
places, the
changes
weather
with
changes
each season.
with each season.
There are four
There are
seasons:
four seasons:
spring,
spring,
summer,
summer,
and
fall,
winter.
and winter.
In spring, the weather
In
gets
spring,
warmer.
the weather gets warmer.
Most plants begin to grow. In some places,
Most plants
it
begin
rains
to
a lot
grow.
during
In some
spring.
places,
In summer,
it
the weather
rains
is
a lot
usually
during
very hot.
spring.
It is the
In
warmest
summer, the
season of
weather
the
is
year.
usually very hot.
The days in
It is
summer
the
are
warmest
long,
season of
so
the
there are
year.
many
The
hours
days
of
in
sunlight.
summer are long, so
When
there are
fall
many
comes, the weather
hours of
gets cooler.
sunlight.
The leaves
Then
change
fall
colors
comes,
and fall
the
off
weather
the trees.
gets cooler. The leaves
Winter
change
is the
colors
coldest
and
season
fall
of
off
the
the
year.
trees. Winter
In
is the
some
coldest
places,
season
it
of
snows
the
a
year.
lot during winter.
In
Also,
some places,
the
it
days in winter are short,
snows a lot during winter.
so there are
Also,
few
the
hours of
days
daylight
in
during
winter
winter.
are short, so there are few hours of daylight during winter.
Unit 19. What can you see in the sky?